This is getting ridiculous now, Mum. Every single one of these is from Diego, and your flowers.
Yeah, it's probably because Sandra told him to do one. And he cannot stand the fact that I'm the only one of his conquests that he's not been able to swindle yet. He'll get bored eventually.
You have 11 new messages.
Myra, I need to see you to explain about Cassandra. My darling, please, I'll do anything. I love you, Myra. Mi amor.
He's not going to stop until you speak to him.
He'll move on to some other mug soon enough.
What, you think this is all part of his master plan to make off with your porcelain hedgehogs and your knockoff jewellery? Mum, you're having his baby. What happens when the little one grows up and wants a relationship with their dad?
This kid's going to be surrounded by its family. Don't need Diego. Fine. I'll go and see him. But only to tell that dirty love rat that we'll both be better off without him.
Hello. Have you missed me?
Of course I did. Come here.
Mwah. And how's Alfie?
Yeah, he's better, I think. Talked a lot about Jade, but other stuff too. Future, uni, feel positive. In fact, he's out with a couple of his mates now.
That's great. Well, obviously, it's going to be tough, but we just got to keep his mind on other things.
Ah, it's just like old times. Except you're not screaming at each other and these plates aren't smashed.
No, ha ha. I was just coming to see you.
Oh, about your dilemma?
What dilemma?
Fear not, for I have made a call, and help is on its way. Mother, dearest.
Hello? What dilemma?
From what you've said, Diego might be telling the truth, but then again, he does lie for a living.
He feels terrible, John Paul. And you should have seen him in there with all them proper criminals. It's not right. James, I need you to help me. I've got to get Diego out of prison.
She's just been to see him.
I was thinking maybe a petition or one of them viral things or something.
Diego never paid me for the Maria business. Why would I help him now? And besides, from what I hear, the prosecution's case is solid. 5 women all claiming Diego ripped them off. Sorry, I've got to take this.
Mum, maybe it's time to face facts. Diego committed fraud, so perhaps he's where he deserves to be.
Can you honestly sit there and tell me you've never done anything you regret? We all make mistakes, John Paul. Where would any of the McQueens be without second chances? And I might be a total mug, but I have to believe he's sorry. Because I love him. And I need him out here with me.
Still angry at me?
I know you're only trying to help, but did you really have to call her, of all people?
She misses you.
I called her last week.
Yes, she mentioned you texted a thumbs up emoji and a kiss.
For goodness sake, I was in a hurry. Oh, no. If she comes over here, it is going to be a colossal disaster.
She doesn't know you and Mac are back together, does she?
Oh, James, you haven't told her, have you?
No. But it will be pretty obvious when she opens a suitcase in his pub.
Oh, why can't she stay with you?
Well, because you're supposed to be buttering her up for this loan. Besides, I think it's good if you spend some quality time together. It's only a couple of weeks.
2 weeks with her and Mac under the same roof. I mean, they would tear each other to shreds.
Stop panicking. All we have to do is keep her occupied and out of the dog.
And as far away from Mac as possible. But I can't spend every moment of the day with her. I mean, this place will just go to rack and ruin. And I don't want you two off scheming against him somewhere.
What about Nathan, then?
Oh, please, be like a puppy trying to babysit a Komodo dragon. As for Ellie, well, she's away with the fairies at the moment. No, what I need is a charming sap to occupy her.
Oh, thank you very much, ladies. That's very generous of you. And you remember, good luck at that supermodel convention, OK? Have a nice day.
Hey!
You following me?
Look, I really want you to reconsider helping Diego. Mum's miserable without him.
I'm trying to run a business here, John Paul. I do try not to take on unpaid cases. And even if I did, I've already represented Mercedes and Maria. It's messy.
I hate putting you in this position, okay? But I'm worried about her. She's a wreck. You are the best lawyer I know. And the sexiest.
You really think you can seduce me into helping?
Yep. Yeah, I do.
Well, you're right. Why don't we get back to mine, hash out the terms?
James and I have been talking.
And I've agreed to take on Diego's case.
Oh, you beauty.
Now, I'm confident we can get your toy boy out, but we do have some work to do.
What do you mean? Well, you said that the prosecution had a solid case, 5 witnesses.
Yeah, it's completely watertight.
Then how come you're suddenly confident we can get him out?
Because we're going to play dirty.